Hello YouTube, my name is Invention Man. It's summertime when I'm recording this. It's 95 degrees outside. I found myself wondering, who invented the air conditioner? Air conditioning dates back to prehistory. Ancient Egyptian buildings used a wide variety of passive air conditioning techniques. In 1558, Giovanni Battista della Porta described a method of chilling ice to temperatures far below its freezing point by mixing it with potassium nitrate. In 1620, Cornelius Drebbel demonstrated turning summer into winter for James I of England, chilling part of the Great Hall of Westminster Abbey with an apparatus of troughs and vats. In 1758, Benjamin Franklin and John Hadley, a chemistry professor at the University of Cambridge, conducted an experiment to explore the principles of evaporation as a means to rapidly cool an object. Franklin and Hadley confirmed that the evaporation of high volatile liquids such as alcohol and ether could be used to drive down the temperature of an object past the freezing point of water. Franklin concluded, "From this experiment, one may see the possibility of freezing a man to death on a warm summer's day." The 19th century included a number of developments in compression technology. In 1820, English scientist and inventor Michael Faraday discovered that compressing and liquefying ammonia could chill air when the liquefied ammonia was allowed to evaporate. In 1842, Florida physician John Gore used compressor technology to create ice, which he used to cool air for his patients in the hospital in Apalachicola, Florida. He hoped to eventually use his ice-making machine to regulate the temperature of buildings, and envisioned centralized air conditioning that could cool entire cities. He was granted a patent in 1851, but following the death of his main backer, he was not able to realize his invention. In 1851, James Harrison created the first mechanical ice-making machine in Geelong, Australia, and was granted a patent for the ether vapor compression refrigeration system in 1855. That produced 3 tons of ice per day in 1860. Hit the like button, subscribe, ring that bell, and leave a comment letting me know what we should talk about next. Electricity made the development of effective units possible. In 1901, American inventor Wills H. Carrier built what is considered the first modern electrical air conditioning unit. In 1902, he installed his first air conditioning system in his Sackett-Wilhelms lithographing and publishing company in Brooklyn, New York. His invention controlled both the temperature and also the humidity, which helped maintain consistent paper dimensions and ink alignment at the printing plant. Later, together with 6 other employees, Carrier formed the Carrier Air Conditioning Company of America, a business that in 2020 employed 53,000 employees and was valued at $18.6 billion. Domestic air conditioning soon took off. In 1914, the first domestic air conditioning was installed in Minneapolis in the home of Charles Gilbert Gates. Additionally, car manufacturers began exploring ways to use air conditioning in vehicles. 1933 was the year that the first automobile air conditioning system was offered for sale. In 1935, Chrysler Motors introduced the first practical semi-portable air conditioning unit. In 1939, Packard became the first automobile manufacturer to offer an air conditioning unit inside the car. Innovations in the later half of the 20th century allowed for much more ubiquitous air conditioner use. In 1945, Robert Sherman of Lynn, Massachusetts invented a portable in-window air conditioner that cooled, heated, humidified, dehumidified, and filtered the air. By the late 1960s, most newly built residential homes in the United States had central air conditioning, which resulted in greater population growth in the states of Florida and Arizona. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe, ring that bell, and leave a comment letting me know what we should talk about next.